Hi, today is the 12th of December and I'm going to be today talking about my prediction for SPX. However, I'm going to go over why I strongly don't advise to take any trades during the week. So, let's get into it. I made this document, I updated this document on the 11th of December, but I'm recording it today. So, last week, the open high low close were 4052.02, 4052.45, 3819.39, 3934.39. The change was 117.63 and the range was 233.06 and the percentage open was 5.75%. The volume last week was 10.954 billion, which is lower than last week, the week before. The spot currently is 3934.39 and the March future is 3969.25 and the basis is 34.86. So now that we've covered the prices, let's go over the candlestick patterns. For the weekly and daily, there aren't any clear candlestick patterns, which is why I've put NA. And if we switch over to here, you can see that there isn't really any pattern. Rather, prices have been trending in a range for the past 3 days. So if you switch over to weekly, here, you can see again the same problem. There isn't any clear pattern. So that's why I've labeled it as NA. Price action wise, both in the weekly and daily charts, price action has broken the rising wedge downwards, which is a bearish indicator. And for the trend, weekly trend, there's a lower high, which is also not really a confirmation, but it might be the beginning of a downward trend. For the ADX, DMI plus and minus are 21.3737 and 19.3219 respectively, and the ADX is 22.8246. The weekly RSI is 49.02 and the daily RSI is 49.28. The SMA weekly is 20 week, 50 week, 200 weeks are 3931.16, 4118.68, 3652.46. As for the daily SMAs, for the 8, 13, 21, 50, and 200 days, it's 4000.04, 3998.37, 3985.61, 3840.40, 4037.43. Bollinger Bands. For the weekly, the upper, middle, lower is 4334.74, 3932.52, and 3530.30. And for the daily, it is 4079, 3987, and 3895. Now let's go over the pivot points. For the monthly, the values go 4348, 4166, 4050, 3984, 3868, 3802, and 3620. For the weekly, the values are 4401, 4168, 4051, 3935, 3818, 3702, and 3469. For the daily, it's 4202, 4058, 3996, 3914, 3852, 3670, and 3626. Now, from the charts, the immediate resistance is at 4026.68 and the immediate support is at 3919.35. Now, what's most likely going to happen is the market might break downwards and break the support at 391.35, and the next support in that case is 3860.56. The next resistance is 4107.39, however, highly unlikely the price breaks that range. And this is why. The option chains. Although the candlestick and price action gives us a hint as to a downward market action, the option chain confirms this. Since the highest C and P are still 4,000, and the premium for 4,000 CE is 32.24, and the 4,000 PE is 96.10, and the put to call ratio is 1.44, which means that there's more puts sold than calls. However, it has been very stagnant, and until the monthly expiry finishes, this is just something to keep in mind. For the weekly expiry, the highest CE is 4,050, and the highest PE is 3,800. Here, in the value of the highest in CE and PE, there was a plus 50 change in the CE and minus 150 change in the PE. And if the CE value changes between the videos, it is a bearish indicator. And if the PE changes, as in it becomes lower, it is also a bearish. And I've highlighted these two, which also show to a large extent that the weekly prediction for the week might be more bearish. Now let's go over the premium values. For the 4050 CE, the premium is 17.80 and the 3800 PE is at 17 with a PCR of 2.21. For the daily expiry, the highest CE is 39.50 and the highest PE is 38.70, with a minus 100 change in the CE and a minus 30 change in the PE. Now this is a ambiguous signal because there's a bullish and bearish signal. However, the CE has changed more, so we'll say for the daily expiry, it might be more bullish. So for 39.50 CE, the premium is 10, and the 38.70 PE is 2.75 with a 1.89 PCR. Now, what is my prediction for the week? I think that there's a strong chance that there is a possible downside, considering the fact that the market broke the rising wedge downwards, which is usually a strong bearish indicator. Additionally, there are some signals from the option chain, as I've just covered, which also show that there's a progressing downward trend. Additionally, the ADX line gives a large cue because the lines at this point are about to converge, and from there, you might see a bit of uncertainty. So this is my prediction for the week. However, I strongly recommend that you don't take a trade, because this week, on the December 14th, there's going to be the FOMC economic projections and the most important Fed interest rate decisions. So because of this and the uncertainty of the results, I strongly advise that you don't take a trade during this week, and if you have to, make it bearish. However, there's a strong probability that something can go wrong because the interest rate decisions may or may not sway the market very strongly. And because of that, I can give a strong recommendation to abstain from making any trades this week. However, I will say that there's a possible downside. I will be reviewing it as if I was giving this as a legitimate prediction. However, take this with a grain of salt, since there is a large probability that the Fed interest rate decisions, if they are bullish, will severely sway the market and will completely negate this prediction altogether. But yeah, this is my prediction for the week ending 16th of December 2022, and I will see you in the next video going over my prediction, and I will be making a video next week as well explaining. So that's all for now, and I will catch you in the next one.